This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone and My TV must share the same Wi-Fi network and both need recent updates. Once done, enable AirPlay on the My TV through settings right arrow more settings right arrow AirPlay and note the TV's name so you can find it quickly. Make sure Bluetooth is on the iPhone for discovery. If either device is sluggish, reboot it now. This clears temporary network glitches and speeds up the pairing that follows. From the iPhone, swipe to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. You'll see the My TV name you enabled earlier. Tap it to begin mirroring. If the TV displays a 4-digit AirPlay code, type it into your iPhone. This secures the connection and prevents accidental casting. For apps like Photos or YouTube, you can also use the AirPlay or cast icon inside playback controls. That directs only the video rather than the full screen, which saves battery. To finish, accept the incoming AirPlay connection on the My TV if it asks, then adjust display or sound on the TV as needed. If you notice lag, stutter, or missing audio, make sure Wi-Fi bandwidth isn't saturated. Temporarily pause large downloads, restart the router, or reduce mirroring resolution in settings. If pairing repeatedly fails, forget the network on the iPhone and reconnect, or disable and re-enable AirPlay on the TV. This often clears persistent handshake errors and restores reliable casting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.